In recent years, the network has evolved faster and faster. We hear too many new concepts such as 5G, edge computing, and Starlink, and other new terms. With the help of new technologies, we can successfully implement new forms of applications, for example, smart city, smart agriculture, industry 4.0. However, we cannot help asking, are we really ready for the rapid network evolution? Let us take a look at the architecture of the network. We believe that the network is evolving too fast. Power is far behind. However, the shortcoming of power will come back to affect our overall evolution in the end. We can see that the deployment of the power for 5G micro site is not much different from the 4G sites. Large site, centralized deployment. In this regard, mainstream manufacturers have provided a series of solutions. Just need to consider the coexisting of the 4G part and the new power for 5G. The form of 5G small cell are quite different. The mainstream manufacturers are not fully considered them. The large scale of deployment for 5G small cell is diverse. There may be a large number of scenario-based customizations, which is a huge challenge for first-tier manufacturers. But I believe that for the time being, that will be a corresponding solutions in the market. On the application side, however, some service will be directly transmitted back via wireless. But there are still a lot of service need to be aggregated through the application edge. And this application edge can also become a 5G to B edge. This application edge are the category of our edge network. There are several problems here. First, we see that after the wireless backhaul, the number of sites is large, but the energy density of each site is very low. The cost of installation and maintenance electricity from the electrical grid is too high compared to the site itself. The site is usually located in outdoor or in a place that is relatively difficult to install and difficult to obtain electricity. The strong correlation with the application leads to a high degree of customizations. However, first-tier manufacturers generally only have a standard products, which can hardly cover all the scenarios. Although these sites are small, their functions are not simple. They need to cover network, energy, installation, maintenance, monitoring, and the other functions. So Edgeware's goal is to provide a customer with all-in-one customized power solution for application edge or to be